So very good evening all of you. Welcome to Civil channel for Let's Crack GATE and ESE. So today we are going to discuss one of the topic of reasoning part. Okay, GATE ESE दोनों में ये important है reasoning का एक टॉपिक का नाम है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. नो डाउट इसे कुछ बुक्स अरेंजमेंट्स के नाम से बताते हैं. some books they give the heading like analytical reasoning, or else even the some books they say puzzles. But let me tell you, puzzles actually it is not the same puzzle what I said you in the videos earlier. In the YouTube video you can find that I have taken a puzzle classes. puzzle completely different है और puzzle के और भी आगे different puzzles के classes भी हम लोग देखेंगे. तो ये problem solving exactly क्या है? ये जैसे आप लोग डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन जो है, जैसे एक ग्राफ दिया रहता है बेस्ड ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन, वैसे आप समझ सकते हैं. या नहीं तो जैसे इंग्लिश में आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज है, एक पैसेज है उसके बेस पे क्वेश्चन, तो लगभग ये सिमिलर ही है. और किस तरह के क्वेश्चन होते हैं उसे हम कैसे प्रॉपरली अरेंज कर सकते हैं सो दैट वी कैन गेट द आंसर ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चन फॉलोड बाय द पैराग्राफ. तो ये सब हम लोग समझेंगे इस आज के क्लास में. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर लेट मी टेल यू कि आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी हो प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए अनअकैडमी का. और जब भी आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं तो आप ये कोड यूज़ कीजिए AR10 टू गेट द डिस्काउंट इन योर सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस. ये कोड यूज़ कीजिए. ये कोड आप अपने फ्रेंड से भी शेयर कर सकते हैं सो दैट दे ऑल्सो गेट द डिस्काउंट वेन एवर दे आर टेकिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑन अनअकैडमी. ओके, प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जब भी वो ले रहे हैं, यानी तो दूसरे कोर्सेज में भी अगर वो एडमिशन ले रहे हैं, सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं दूसरे कोर्सेज का भी, तो भी ये कोड वैलिड है फॉर द डिस्काउंट. सो शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स इवन सो दैट दे ऑल्सो गेट द डिस्काउंट. So my dear friend, moving further to the topic directly, just a moment, there is some technical. So sorry for the interruption, there was some technical issue. So my dear friends, आप अपने फ्रेंड से भी ये कोड शेयर कर सकते हैं सो दैट दे ऑल्सो गेट द डिस्काउंट इन द सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस. ओके, तो ये AR10 जब भी आप सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं तो ये यूज़ कीजिए टू गेट द डिस्काउंट. तो मूविंग फर्दर मैं आपको बता दूं, ये टॉपिक जो है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, इसमें जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि एक पैराग्राफ रहता है बेस्ड ऑन दैट द क्वेश्चन. तो एक पैराग्राफ में आपको कुछ हिंट्स दिए जाते हैं जिसके अनुसार से आपको प्रॉपरली डेटा को अरेंज करना होता है. और डेटा अगर प्रॉपरली अरेंज है तो आप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट type of question it will be. So just for an example, you can see here they have given you two questions. Okay, and the paragraph they have given like 5 persons are standing in a queue. One of the 2 person at the extreme end is a professor and the other is a businessman. एक क्यू में 5 लोग खड़े हैं. ओके, वन एंड देर इज अ प्रोफेसर, अदर एंड देर इज अ बिजनेसमैन. we cannot say the left end is the professor or the right end is the professor, but we know that one end is the professor and other end is the businessman. An advocate is standing right to a student, an author is to the left of businessman, the student is between the professor and the advocate. So based on this data they ask you the two questions, that is who is in the middle of the queue, that is the first question. And second question, if advocate and businessman exchange their positions, also the author and the student means they also exchange their position, then who will be standing to the left of the student. तो student के left side में कौन होगा. तो first of all आपको पहले properly arrange करना है. First you have to arrange this. Okay, so see 5 people are there, so I am taking here 5 people like 1 2 3 4 5 people are standing in a queue. Now in this queue, any one end is the businessman and the other end is the professor. Am I right? So if I say that in the left hand side end is the professor, then obviously the right hand will be the businessman. Or else if left hand side end is the businessman, then right hand side end will be the professor. Okay, ये confirm नहीं है, it can be either of the way. Okay, now further they gave an advocate is standing to the right of student, so we know that student right side will be the advocate. Okay, so advocate will come exactly the right of the student advocate. Now an author is to the left of businessman left side is the author. Now my dear friend, from here you can catch one thing, that if businessman left side is the author, means businessman left side position should be empty, then only businessman left side will be the author. Okay, so if you keep businessman here, there will be no left side position empty, so businessman won't come here. So businessman will be in the right hand, and left hand there will be a professor. The very first hint what they have given, that is clear now. Now from here you go further, author will be in the left hand side of the businessman. So here is the businessman, so where will be the author? Author will be exactly the left of businessman. Okay, so right end is the businessman. Okay, left end there is a professor. Okay, and then the author. Further what they said, the student is between professor and advocate. Now already we know that one side is the advocate, so another side will be the professor. So here will be the professor. So professor already we know. So here is the student and here is the advocate. That's it. So this is the arrangement done. After once the arrangement is done, you can easily answer whatever the question it may be. So first question they are asking, who is in the middle of the queue? I think arrangement is clear to you all. So who is in the middle of the queue? Queue के बीचों बीच कौन है? Exactly in the middle. Who is there? So exactly in the middle is the advocate. Left hand side to right hand side to. So for the first question the answer is advocate. So who is in the middle? So advocate. Clear? For the second question they are saying, if advocate and businessman exchange their position, advocate and businessman, so these two people have to exchange their positions. Okay, advocate and businessman. So what will happen? Advocate will reach here and businessman will reach here. Okay, so this is the position, new position. Also author and student should also exchange their position. Author and student mean these two people. So these two people means here the student will come and here the author will come. Okay, so now in this arrangement, after doing like this, who will be standing to the left of the student? Where is student now? Where is student now? Here is the student. So left of student means who is in this position. Don't say advocate, because already advocate reached here. So who is in this position? Businessman. So here the second question, the answer will be businessman. Are you getting me? So this is exactly the flavor of problem solving. Means one graph is given, based on that the question, you have to arrange the graph properly. The hint given, the clause given in the graph, you have to arrange properly, then you can answer n number of questions based on it. Okay, so moving further to the next one. Any queries, doubt, you can ask me in the chat. So moving to the next one, here they are saying there are 6 teachers A, B, C, D, E and F in a school. Each of the teacher teaches 2 subjects, one compulsory and other optional subject. These optional subject was history. मतलब यहाँ पे total 6 टीचर हैं, A, B, C, D, E and F. You have to arrange them. Okay, every teacher will be taking 2 subjects. Every teacher, one is compulsory, another will be optional. Further, they gave you the hint. These optional subject was history, while 3 others have it as compulsory subject. E and F have physics as one of their subjects. Okay, F compulsory subject is maths, which is an optional subject for both C and D. History and English are A subject, but in the terms of compulsory and optional subject, they are just reverse of those of D. D का exactly opposite होगा. Okay, A के लिए. Chemistry is an optional subject for only one of them. The only female teacher in school has English as her compulsory subject. So this is the data given to you. Based on this, they will ask you the question. So as I said you, first we have to arrange this. We have to arrange this properly. Then we can answer whatever the question they are asking. So here the question what they have given was, what is C's compulsory subject? That is the first question. Okay. Second question is, who is female teacher in the group? So how can we find the female? That hint was given over there. The only female teacher, the last sentence of the graph, the only female teacher in the school has English as her compulsory subject. So whoever is having English as compulsory, that will be the second answer. And question number 3, disregarding which is optional, which is compulsory and which is optional subject, who is having same subject combination of F, means whatever subject F is having, same subject who else is having. Disregarding compulsory and optional. Okay, opposite भी हो सकता है, नहीं तो same भी हो सकता है, without the respect of compulsory and optional. So my dear friend, these are the 3 questions, we have to answer them. So first we'll arrange the data. So see, I am arranging the data. If you get the answer, you can mention that in the chat. So I am arranging the data here. See what I did, I have taken the columns like this, the teachers A, B, C, D, E and F, and further compulsory and optional subject. Okay, 2 columns I made it for each teacher, compulsory and optional. Now one by one we have to understand. From here you see, D's optional subject was history. So D's optional subject means here the history will come. So D's optional subject is history. Okay, while 3 others have it as compulsory subject, means for compulsory 3 people should have history as compulsory. Okay, which 3 it is not yet decided. Okay, further 3 people should have compulsory history as compulsory. So moving further, E and F have physics as one of their subject, means E as well as F. Okay, both should have physics. Okay, but we don't know whether it is in compulsory or else in optional. That is the reason we are not writing in the columns. In the columns we are not mentioning E and F. Okay, but we know that E and F compulsory, they have one of the subject as physics. Okay, further F compulsory subject is mathematics. So F compulsory subject mathematics, so maths will come here. This is the column where maths will come. Okay, F compulsory subject is maths. And so another subject for F, you know, another subject for F, it should be physics. So physics will come here. Okay, physics in the optional. Clear? Moving further, F compulsory subject is maths, which is an optional subject for both C and E. So C and E have maths as optional. So E will have maths here. Okay, and C will also have maths here. Okay, as optional. In the optional column I am writing. Now, see, E should also have physics. So where physics will come? Here the physics will come for E. Clear? Further, they gave history and English are a subject. History and English are a subject, but in the terms of compulsory optional, they are just reverse of D. D ka exactly ulta, D ka reverse. So D already we have written history. So where English will come? Here English will come, because history and English are even D subject, even A subject, but it will be reverse of D. Reverse of D means now history for A, history will become compulsory, and for A, optional will be the English. Okay, are you getting me? Further, they said chemistry is an optional subject of only one of them. So only one person is left over here. Who is left in the optional? B is left. So here chemistry will come. That's it. So I think for optional, all the subjects are very clear. Okay. Now let's see in the compulsory. In the starting itself, that they gave that 3 people should have history as compulsory. In the starting sentence they gave you, when they were giving that D's optional subject was history, while 3 others have it as compulsory subject. So already 1% we have written history as compulsory, remaining 2% blank, these 2 are also history. So this is how the data is arranged. Now you can answer whatever the question it may be. So you know the subject of each and every person, so you can answer the question. So let us go back to the question once again, going back to the question. So question here, the first question, what is C's compulsory subject? What was C's compulsory subject? So C's compulsory subject, come on, we have arranged it. C's compulsory subject is history. So for the first question, the answer is history. So for this, the answer is history, no doubt. Clear? Further, who is female member in the group? So what was the sentence, what they said, that English should be compulsory for the female member. See here in the last data they have given you clearly that the only female teacher in school has English as compulsory. So who is having English actually the compulsory? English compulsory, English compulsory, the D is having. Am I right? D is having English as compulsory. So D is the female teacher. So the second one, the answer will be D. Who is female teacher? So female member in the group is D. Clear? Yes, any queries, doubt, you can ask me. And the last they ask, disregarding which is compulsory, which is optional, who is having the same subject as that of F. तो जैसा F का सब्जेक्ट है और किसका वैसा सब्जेक्ट है F. सो F का सब्जेक्ट क्या क्या था? F का सब्जेक्ट है मैथ्स एंड फिजिक्स. तो किसका और मैथ्स एंड फिजिक्स है? मैथ्स एंड फिजिक्स और किसका है? तो E का है. Am I right? E and F are having same subject. Disregarding compulsory optional, same maths and physics they are having. So for the last, we can say the answer is E. So F and E are having the same subject, disregarding compulsory optional. Clear? No queries? So this is how once you arrange the data, you can easily answer whatever the question it may be. So moving further, next, if you have any queries, doubt, if you want me to explain anything again, you can ask me in the chat. So here they have given 5% P, Q, R, S and T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good evening Prashant, good evening. Any queries, doubt anywhere, you can ask me. So P, Q, R, S and T belong to 5 different cities, that is Jabalpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Raipur and Delhi. Okay, क्या SSC JE के लिए भी सही रहेगा? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अलका, इट इज़ यूजफुल. SSC JE गेट और ESE के लिए, इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज के लिए, ये आपको यूजफुल है. ओके और भी डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आपको इससे क्वेश्चन आते हैं हल्का. ओके तो मूविंग फर्दर, just practicing, we are practicing all the topics here. So 5% P, Q, R, S, T belong to 5 different cities, Jabalpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Raipur and Delhi. जरूरी नहीं कि रेस्पेक्टिवली दिया है, ऐसा मत सोचिएगा कि रेस्पेक्टिवली दिया है. इट इज नॉट अरेंज्ड प्रॉपर्ली, वी हैव टू अरेंज. डोंट थिंक दैट P is from Jabalpur, Q from Bhopal, don't arrange like that. Okay, so they are invited to deliver a seminar on different subject, that is chemistry, physics, maths, history and economics, but not necessarily in the same order. Means the same thing what I said you, it is not respectively. Don't think it is as respectively it is. Okay, so we have to take the points what they have given is P, who belongs to Bhopal, gives seminar on economics. Further, the person who gives seminar on physics belong to Jabalpur. Further point they have given, T does not give seminar on chemistry or history but belongs to Hyderabad. S does not belong to Raipur but gives seminar on chemistry and history. Chemistry वहीं तक है, उसके बाद further sentence continued है and history is the option of R. So this is the data given to you. Based on this we have to arrange the data and then we'll go for the question. So I think you can take the screenshot, because if you want to arrange from your end, you can also arrange, so that you can also give your answers in the chat, whatever answer you are getting. So take the screenshot and then we'll go proceed with the question. So based on this, what is the question they are asking? Let's see. Question what they asked was, first question is who belongs to Raipur. Second question, physics seminar will be given by. Third question, T gives seminar on. Fourth question, S belongs to which city, and the last fifth question, who belongs to Jabalpur. So see, questions are very simple. If you arrange it properly based on the hints given, you can easily answer all these 5 questions. Am I right? तो ये 5 क्वेश्चन का भी स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए और आप भी ट्राई कीजिएगा, आप भी अपने आंसर भिजाइएगा चैट में. मैं आपको इधर एक्सप्लेनेशन तब तक दे रहा हूँ, तो एक्सप्लेनेशन भी समझते रहिए. अगर कहीं नहीं मिस हो गया, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर से पूछ लीजिएगा चैट में. तो मूविंग फर्दर, चलिए अरेंज करते हैं इसको. तो ये था हमारा डेटा दिया हुआ था, तो बेस्ड ऑन दिस हमें अरेंज करना है. तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, यू सी, आई एम मेकिंग द कॉलम फॉर P, Q, R, S, T. ओके, सिटी एंड सब्जेक्ट. Cause why for you, who belong from where. So anyhow my dear friends, P, Q, R, S, T belong to 5 different cities, Jabalpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Raipur and Delhi. They are invited to deliver a seminar on different subjects, that is chemistry, physics, maths, history and economics, but not necessarily in the same order. Not necessarily in the same order. So this is the data given, and as I said you that P, Q, R, S, T all I have written, and city and subject is also given. Okay, city and subject, the two column. See, I am writing the city Jabalpur, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Raipur, Delhi. See, I am writing the subject also. What are the subjects they have given? Subject given were chemistry, okay, physics, maths. I'll tell you later ki why I am writing all this. Maths, then history and the economics. These are the subject they have given. Okay, now once the subject and the city is filled with any of them, we'll remove it from here. So let us go with the hint. P who belongs to Bhopal. So P belongs to city Bhopal. So for the P we can write here Bhopal. Okay, once Bhopal is done, remove this Bhopal. Now further no one will live in Bhopal. Okay. So P who belongs to Bhopal gives seminar on economics. So subject for P it is economics. So economics also we have to remove it. Done. Now the person who gives seminar on physics belongs to Jabalpur. So physics and Jabalpur will go together. So I don't know the person, but we can say physics and Jabalpur will go together. Okay. T does not give seminar on chemistry or history, but belongs to Hyderabad. So for the T city we know that T is compulsory from Hyderabad. Okay, and even we know that T should not give seminar on chemistry and history, neither chemistry nor history. So if you remove chemistry and history, chemistry is this, history is this. These two if you remove, what are leftover subject? Leftover subject are physics, maths. But physics is not possible because physics should be Jabalpur. So what is possible for T? It is only the maths. So maths. So here T is maths. Are you getting me? Anywhere, any point if you have missed, you can ask me. Did you get it? See, T cannot take the seminar on chemistry and history, and he belonged to Hyderabad. So for T I have written first Hyderabad. Okay, and T cannot give the seminar on chemistry and history. So chemistry history is removed for T. Economics we cannot keep because economics is already for P. And physics we cannot keep because physics and Jabalpur should be the same combination, but T is from Hyderabad. So only leftover subject for T is maths. So T takes the seminar on maths. Done. S does not belong to Raipur. S does not belong to Raipur. So for S, Raipur should not be there. S does not belong to Raipur, but give seminar on chemistry. So for S, the subject is confirmed that S will give the seminar on chemistry. So chemistry also we can remove it now. Okay. Gives seminar on chemistry. Okay. So give seminar on chemistry. So can we say the city of S? Can we decide the city of S? S do not belongs to Raipur. So Hyderabad is also removed. Bhopal is already removed. S do not belong to Raipur. So S can be from Delhi. S can be from Jabalpur. But Jabalpur should compulsory have physics as the subject. So leftover is only Delhi. Am I right? Jabalpur and physics should go together. And S cannot belong from Raipur. So leftover city for S is Delhi. So this is Delhi. Clear? Now, S does not belong to Raipur but gives seminar on chemistry. History is the option of R. So R will take history subject. So for R, if it is history, let me tell you, R cannot belong from, now Delhi is also done, chemistry is also done. Okay, so what are the leftover cities? Jabalpur and Raipur is leftover. But Jabalpur should be having physics. So history he is having R, means R is compulsory from Raipur. So R belongs from Raipur. Are you getting me? Clear? Moving further, so leftover is only Jabalpur and physics. Remaining all are done. Maths is done for T. History and Raipur is done for R. So leftover is Jabalpur and physics. So Q belongs to Jabalpur and Q takes what subject? That is physics. So done the arrangement. One by one pick out the points and arrange it properly. Clear? So shall we go back to the question again? So let us go back to the question. What was the question they were asking? who belongs to Raipur? So R belongs to Raipur. If I am not wrong, we have arranged just now. R belongs to Raipur. So for this question, the answer should be R. Or else, if you want, you can see the arrangement like this. See, I have arranged like this. Bhopal, R. R belongs to Raipur. So for the first question, the answer is R. Second question, physics seminar will be given by physics. Who was giving seminar on physics? That is Q. Q. So second question, the answer is no doubt Q. Clear? No queries? T gives seminar on. T gives seminar on. T belongs to Hyderabad and T gives seminar on. I think it is not visible to you. So I am moving aside. It should be maths. Clear? So T gives seminar on maths. Okay. So for T it is maths. Moving further, S belongs to which city? S belongs to which city? S. Which city? So S belongs to Delhi. So here the answer is Delhi. And the last question, who belongs to Jabalpur? Once you have arranged, you can say easily who belongs to Jabalpur. So Jabalpur, who belongs to Jabalpur? That is Q. So the last question, the answer is Q. So first question, the answer was R, belong to Raipur. Second, physics seminar will be given by Q. T gives seminar on maths, and S belongs to Delhi, and Q belongs to Jabalpur. Done? So moving further, so let's try more questions. So here they have given, on a shelf are placed 6 volumes side by side, A, B, C, D, E and F. 3 volumes B, C and E have green covers, while the other volumes have yellow covers. A, D and B are new volumes, while the rest are old volumes. A, C and B are law reports, while the rest are gazetteers. Okay. So my dear friend, you have to arrange this properly. Okay, based on this, what are the questions they have given? Let's see. So question given is, which volume is new, yellow covered and a gazetteer? They have given you option even. Second question was, which 2 volumes are old gazetteers? Okay. Third question is, which is green covered, old and a law report volume? Fourth question, which is yellow covered, new law report volume? And the last, fifth question, which is the old volume of a gazetteer and have green covers? Okay, so these are the question given. So first we'll arrange it properly. Okay, so we are arranging it properly. Any queries, doubts, you can ask me. Prashant, Alka. Okay, so moving further, let us arrange it. A, B, C, D, E, F. 3 volumes B, C have green covers. See the column what I have given, volume, and 1 column for subject and color. So they have given B, C and E have green covers. B, C and E. So green here. Okay, B, C also green. B, C and E also green. Okay, these are the green colors. And the rest are yellow covers. Am I right? So what are the yellows? Yellows will be A. A is yellow, left over. D is also left over, that is also yellow. And F is also left over, that is also yellow. So colors are clear. Now A, D and B are new volumes. New volumes. A, D and B. So this is new one. Okay, D also new. A, D and B. B also new. And remaining are old. So what are the old? So C is old, E is old, and F is old. So these are the old volumes. Further they said ACB. Instead of saying ACB, you can even say ABC. No worries. So they give you like that. So ACB or else ABC are law reports. So first 3, A, B and C. These are the law reports and the rest are gazetteers. So this is gazetteer, this is gazetteer, this is gazetteer. That's it. Clear? So the data is arranged properly. Now we can go through the question. So these were the question what I have given. Am I right? So first question what they asked is, which volume is new, yellow covered and a gazetteer? 3 important points. It should be new, it should be yellow, and it should be gazetteer. So first, I think the color is easily visible to you. So yellow are, what are there? Yellow are F, D and A. So you have taken out the segregation F, D and A. Anyone can be the answer. But it should be new also. So new, you can say that F is gone because F is old. So left over is A. A is new and yellow covered. Okay. And D is also new and yellow covered. Okay. Clear? Now what they are asking, it should be gazetteer, but A is a law report, so D. So the first one, the answer is D. D is actually new, yellow covered and gazetteer also. Clear? So for the first question, the answer is no doubt D. Am I right? Okay, here is the answer, D. Now second question, which two volumes are old gazetteers? Two volumes. It should be old and gazetteers. So C is actually old, but C is a law report. But we want old gazetteer. So old gazetteer, this is old gazetteer. This is also old gazetteer. So E and F are old gazetteer because they are just asking. They are not asking you about the color. Just it should be old gazetteer, two volumes. So which are those two volumes? That is E and F. So for the second question, the answer is E and F. Am I right? Next, third question they are asking, which is green covered, old and a law report volume? It should be green. Green are B, C and E are green. Old. So B is gone because B is new. Okay. C and E are old, but they want law report also. So E is a gazetteer, so only left over is C. So C is old, green covered and law report. So for the third question, the answer is no doubt C. So here is the C answer. Okay. Next question, which is the yellow covered new law report volume? Yellow covered, new and law report. So yellow covered are A, D and F. Okay. Law, in that law is only A. So only yellow covered and law, if they are asking, I think directly we can say A. Only if we take 2 points, that is yellow covered and law. Okay, no need to even consider the new. Only if I say yellow covered and law means A is there. So no doubt for this the answer is A. Okay, even if they are not asking new. If they ask, one more important thing, if they ask which is yellow covered old law report, so the answer will be yellow covered old law report. Yellow cover old law report, there is no one, none will be the answer. But here they are saying not old, they are asking you new. So new, definitely A is there because law, new and yellow cover, that is A. So here the answer is A. Clear? Are you getting me? And the last question, which is the old volume of a gazetteer and have green covers? Old volume, gazetteer, green cover, that is E. So no doubt the last one should be the answer, E. Clear? Simple it is. So this question was simple, but not all the questions will be as simple as this. Okay, so we have to go for some more will understand. So moving further with more arrangements, let's see. There is a group of 5% A, B, C, D and E. B and C are intelligent in maths and geography. A and C are intelligent in maths and history. B and D are intelligent in political science and geography. D and E are intelligent in political science and biology. E is intelligent in biology, history and political science. So these are the data given to you. Based on this, points, hints given to you, you have to arrange it properly. Based on this, they will give you the question. You can take the screenshot if you want, you can arrange it. Then when I give you the question, you can try the answer over there. Done? So you can refresh the video. I think the unnecessary comments must have gone from here. Okay, you can refresh the video. Okay, moving further. Question based on this was, who is intelligent in political science, geography and biology? This was the first question. So let us first arrange it properly, then we'll go with the question. So there is a group of 5% A, B, C, D, E and A, B, C, D and E. Okay, 5 people. B and C are intelligent in maths. So we are writing like this. See, I'm writing the names A, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 people. Okay, their subjects I'll mention. So subjects in which they are intelligent, they have given. B and C are intelligent in maths. So B, maths. Okay, C also maths. B and C are intelligent in maths and geography. So B also geography, C also geography. Clear? A and C are intelligent in maths and history. So A should be in maths and history. A and C should be also in maths and history. C already we have written maths, so only left over one more for C, it will be history. Okay. A and C are intelligent in maths and history. B and D are intelligent in political science. So B should be there a political science. B and D should be also political science. Okay, B and D are intelligent in political science and geography. So D also geography and B already we have written geography. So no need to write once again. Okay, B and D are intelligent in political science, geography. D and E are intelligent in political science and biology. So D and E, D already we have written political science, E also political science and biology. So E there is should be one bio, and for D also there should be one more subject, that is bio. E is intelligent in biology, history and political science. So E already we have written political, bio already we have written. So what is left over? E is intelligent in one more subject. What is the subject here? That is history. So E one more subject, we can write history here. So I think we have arranged the data. A is intelligent in only two subjects, that is maths, history. B is intelligent in maths, geography, political science. C intelligent in maths, geography, history. D intelligent in political, geography, bio, and E intelligent in political, bio and history. Okay, so let's see the question what they have given. First question is, who is intelligent in political science, geography, biology? This combination we have to find: political science, geography and biology. So political science, geography and biology, who is there? Can you mention? Political science, geography and biology. So political science, geography, biology. So for this the answer will be D. D means the option B, the person D. Am I right? The option B, the person D. Clear? So the next question, who is intelligent in maths, political and geography? Maths, political, geography. So we have to see who is maths, political, geography. Can you tell me? Maths, political, geography. Maths, political, geography, that is, if I am not wrong, it is B. B is having maths, political, geography. So the next question, the answer will be maths, political and geography. Here the answer is B, the option B, and the person also B. Clear? Yes. Next question they asked is, who is intelligent in maths and history but not geography? Means the person should be intelligent in maths and history, but geography should not be there. Maths and history but not geography. So who is intelligent in maths and history? So maths and history, I think C is intelligent, but C is also intelligent in geography, but they are saying geography should not be there. Maths and history but not geography, that is only A. Maths and history but not geography. So for the next question the answer is A. A is intelligent in maths and history but not geography, means option C. Clear? Yes. So the next question is, who is intelligent in maths, geography, history? Maths, geography, history. So maths, geography, history, who is there? That is the C, person C. Maths, geography, history. This is the answer. So person C. Person C means option D. So D option, the person C. Clear? And the last question what they have given, who is intelligent in political, history, bio? Political, history, bio. Political, history, bio, who is there? Political, history, bio. that is the person E. Political, history, bio. Person E. So person E for this question, the answer should be political, history, bio. The person E means option D. Clear? Yes? Any further question? No. So my dear friend, moving further, let me tell you that more question will practice tomorrow. More number of question will see. Okay, because see, I have more question over here, problem solving too. So same timing it will be on the YouTube. You can come live. You can also try practice more number of question, because we'll be having problem solving part 2 tomorrow on the same channel. So this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Just subscribe this channel. Let's crack GATE ESE civil, so that you can attend my session as well as you can attend technical session here, because this class is actually the new batch, means every subject will be said to you in complete depth, because this is targeting especially the students of the aspirant of GATE 2023, okay, or else 22. So my dear friend, very slowly we faculty will go on, so don't miss these classes, live classes. Further, let me tell you, whenever you are taking plus subscription on Unacademy, use this code, that is AR10, okay, to get the discount in your subscription fees, and share this code even with your friends, so that they also get the discount whenever they are taking the subscription on Unacademy, because this code is valid on all the courses available on Unacademy for the discount. Further, let me tell you that you can attend my special class, specially very soon. I mean to say within a day or two, means maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll be having one special class, that is on spatial aptitude. Spatial aptitude also I am saying part by part, means mirroring is separate, grouping separate, every topic clearly, because you know very well that this time for the GATE 2021 onwards, they have included in the aptitude syllabus, there will be a spatial aptitude. IIT Bombay has included this, so we'll go for the class. This special class is also free for everyone. So if you want to attend this special free class, very simple, you have to just download the Unacademy app. After downloading the app, you can find here left hand side, complete my detail is there. My name is also written, Amulya Ratan. So you can search this profile, Amulya Ratan, in GATE ESE channel of Unacademy. You will get this profile. Go to that profile and on the notification. Once you on the notification, whenever I'll be having special class, you will be getting the alerts, you will be getting the message, okay, links. Further, let me tell you that for all my YouTube classes, if you want the previous classes which I have already taken on YouTube, if you want the link for that, or upcoming classes, if you want the link for that, very simple, my Facebook page is there, Amulya Ratan Apti Unacademy. Go through that page, you will get all the links, whichever the classes has been held, or the upcoming classes link of YouTube. Even if you are following me on Insta, you will get the link. So thank you very much for your active participation, but keep practicing. Okay, meet you tomorrow with more number of questions. Take care, bye bye. Keep practicing everyone. Thank you.